Hello, and a warm welcome back to Afrekete Work from Home Jobs, where we explore business opportunities, navigate through potential scams, and much more. Today we're embarking on a special journey into the world of content writing, a field brimming with opportunities for those eager to carve out their niche in the digital landscape. Imagine sitting in your cozy corner, sipping on your favorite beverage, your fingers dancing across the keyboard as you weave words into stories, articles, and content that captivates and informs. This isn't just a daydream, it's the reality for content writers worldwide. But what exactly is content writing? Let's dive in. Content writing encompasses creating compelling, engaging content for various platforms, be it blogs, articles, product descriptions, or web content. It's an art that blends creativity with strategy, aiming to capture the audience's attention and deliver value. Why is it crucial, you ask? In the ever-evolving digital world, content is king. It drives SEO, builds brand awareness, and fosters engagement with your audience. But why content writing, you wonder? For starters, the flexibility it offers is unparalleled. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can tailor your work hours to fit your lifestyle, all from the comfort of your home. And with the digital age in full swing, the demand for skilled content writers has never been higher. As you embark on this journey, you'll find that the realm of content writing is as vast as it is varied. Whether your passion lies in technology, fashion, health, or finance, there's a niche waiting for you to make your mark. It's a world where your words can open doors to endless possibilities. As we wrap up this introduction to content writing, remember, your journey is just beginning. The path may be filled with challenges, but the rewards are just as great. Stay tuned, as we will be sharing our in-house current job openings at the end of this video. Thank you for joining us on Afrekete Work from Home Jobs. Here's to turning your passion for writing into a profitable career.
Audience research is the bedrock of compelling content creation. Picture this: you're not just crafting content, you're selecting an ideal gift for a dear friend. It should align with their tastes, requirements, and aesthetics. So, how do we comprehend who our readers are and what they desire? It's about delving deep to grasp their identities, the obstacles they encounter, and the solutions they're seeking. Methods range from conducting surveys, analyzing social media engagement, to scrutinizing analytics to identify demographics, interests, and conduct patterns. Tailoring your content to your audience is not just about being aware of their preferences, but understanding their needs at a microscopic level. This way, your content won't just resonate, it will offer value. Tone and style also play pivotal roles. Your voice encapsulates not just what you express, but also how you convey it. Different audiences favor distinct communication styles. A younger, trendy audience might lean a laid-back, funny tone, whereas professionals might choose a more formal, straightforward style. Customizing your tone and style means aligning your language, choice of words, and presentation to your audience's anticipations, thereby enhancing relatability and engagement. Let's embark on a journey to explore the essence of audience comprehension. Let's dive into the art of engaging content creation. Your headline, much like a newspaper headline, is your first and potentially only shot at capturing a prospective reader's attention. We'll delve into the crafting of compelling headlines that lure readers without delving into clickbait. They should promise a clear benefit, be concise, and include relevant SEO keywords. Like A/B testing can play a crucial role in understanding what resonates with your audience. Next, we'll look at structure. Digestible content is organized content. We'll learn to use headers and subheaders to split text into easy-to-digest sections. Bullet points and short paragraphs are tools to make information scannable and encourage reading ample white space. This structured approach enhances comprehension and retains reader interest. Lastly, we'll touch on the importance of visuals. A block of text can quickly become dull. Including images, videos, and infographics can break the monotony while reinforcing points, adding context, and simplifying complex information. Visuals should be high quality and pertinent to the content, enriching the reader's journey and comprehension of the subject matter. Keyword research is the key to optimizing your content for SEO. It's not just about using popular terms, about comprehending the language your audience uses when hunting for information. Instruments like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can aid in keywords with high search volume but moderate competition, including more precise long-tail keywords that encapsulate specific search intents. On-page SEO is the next step. After identifying the keywords, integrating them into your content is vital. Still, an overuse of keywords can impair readability and SEO. Instead, strategically position them in titles, headings, the introduction paragraph, and throughout the content where seamlessly blend in. Additional on-page SEO components include refining meta descriptions to enhance click-through rates, using alt text for images, and your site is mobile-friendly. Let's unravel the complexities of SEO together, making your content effortlessly locatable. Monetizing your writing. Direct monetization. Direct methods of turning your writing into cash flow are multiple and varied. This includes the utilization of sponsored posts, where firms compensate you in exchange for publicity. Another direct method is affiliate marketing, where you gain a cut from promoting certain products. Lastly, you can monetize directly by trading digital products such as ebooks or courses. Every single one of these approaches has its own unique strategies to attain success. Striking the perfect balance between promotion and keeping your readers' trust and interest is crucial. Indirect monetization. On the other hand, consistently valuable content can lead to indirect ways of monetization. This could translate into job proposals for writing positions, consulting roles, speaking opportunities, or collaborations. By firmly establishing yourself as an expert in your niche, you magnetize these opportunities towards you. In effect, you're using content as a testament to your prowess. Each of these components has a vital role in crafting content that not only lures but also keeps and converts readers into regular followers, customers, or clients. Remember, each article, blog, or post that you draft is a step closer towards honing your content writing skills. Keep tuning in, as we'll soon unveil our current in-house job vacancies. Venture into content creation with an air of confidence and a dash of creativity. Afrekete Work from Home Jobs appreciates your active participation.
Ever wonder why finding writing jobs feels like searching for a needle in a haystack? It's not because they're scarce, but because knowing where to look and how to approach the task can be a challenge. Today, we'll break down this process into clear, actionable steps. Firstly, let's delve into the realm of freelance platforms. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer serve as bustling marketplaces for writing jobs. The trick here is to create a compelling profile, showcasing your skills and experiences. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Next, consider content mills. While they often get a bad rap for low pay rates, they can be a goldmine for beginners. Sites like TextBroker and iWriter can give you the experience you need to move on to higher paying gigs. Social media networking is another avenue to explore. LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook have groups where businesses post writing jobs. Engage with these communities, showcase your expertise, and you'll find opportunities coming your way. Direct outreach to businesses and blogs can also yield results. Research companies that might need your writing skills, craft a personalized pitch, and send it out. It's a numbers game, so don't be discouraged by rejections. Online communities and job boards like ProBlogger, Blogging Pro, and Reddit's Hire a Writer are treasure troves of writing jobs. Engage with these communities, respond to job ads, and you'll find a wealth of opportunities. Lastly, create a simple portfolio. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should showcase your best work. It's your proof of capability and can be the tipping point for potential clients. So to summarize, 1. Utilize freelance platforms with a compelling profile. 1. Consider content mills for experience. 1. Engage in social media networking. 1. Practice direct outreach to businesses and blogs. 1. Join online communities and job boards. 1. Create a simple, effective portfolio. Each of these steps brings you closer to finding writing jobs. It's a process, a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. So, start today, and before you know it, you'll have a list of writing jobs to choose from.
So you're still here. Now let's introduce you to another one of our current in-house work from home jobs. This position is a work from home job researcher, contract worker.
Imagine this. The sun is just beginning to peek over the horizon, casting a warm, golden hue through the window. You're nestled comfortably in your favorite chair, a steaming cup of coffee by your side. No frantic rush hour, no scrambling to find your misplaced office keycard. This is your office, your home. Thanks to the digital revolution, this is not a far-off dream, but a lived reality for many. But what if you could help others find their perfect work-from-home opportunity? Welcome to the world of a work-from-home job researcher. In this role, your mission is clear: to scour the digital landscape, to unearth the best work-from-home opportunities that pay a living wage and come without fees. You are the beacon, the guiding light that illuminates the path for countless job seekers, navigating the vast ocean of the internet. Whether you're locating entry-level positions or roles that require a specific set of skills, your task remains the same. You are the detective, the sleuth of the cyber world, seeking out the gems that meet our criteria. Your tools? A keen eye for detail, a knack for research, and the ability to capture, cut and paste screen recordings. And the reward for your diligent detective work? $25 for every approved job submission. That's right, your findings don't just light the way for others, they also fill your pockets. Your mission goes beyond just locating jobs. You'll compile evidence of these golden opportunities, capturing screenshots of job listings and gathering reviews from reputable sites. You're not just a researcher, but a curator, creating a collection of reliable income sources that can be accessed from the comfort of one's home. Concerned about qualifications? Don't be. If you've mastered the art of internet research and can handle basic online tools, you're already qualified. No resumes, no degrees, just your dedication, your keen eye, and your desire to make a difference. Ready to embark on this journey? Your work as a work-from-home job researcher can transform lives, bringing the dream of a comfortable, flexible work-from-home job within reach for many. So don't wait, start today, and together we can reshape the world of work. Send in your findings too and join our mission to illuminate the path to work-from-home opportunities. Let's transform the work-from-home landscape together. Stay tuned for more current work-from-home jobs in this video and find the link to our free ebook of all current work-from-home jobs in the description.